Hello. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to send our position to APRS using FT8Call. The first thing you need to do is figure out your grid square. I'm using an app on my Android phone called Ham GPS. Ham GPS will give you a 10-digit grid square. We'll then take that grid square and apply it in the settings of FT8Call. Once you have that grid square, we're going to go back to FT8Call and enter it into the settings. You can find your locator setting in FT8Call by going to File, Settings, the General tab, and then entering your locator in the My Grid box. Click on OK to save that setting, and let's go back to the main screen. We send out our position for APRS using a directed message. To do that, we'll right-click on All Call, then scroll down to Directed All Call, then scroll down to the Grid command and click that. FT8Call will queue up that message and send it out during the next transmit cycle. With the length of the 10-digit grid square and the rest of the message, it'll take 2 transmit cycles to send. Once your position is sent, FT8Call will go back to normal operation. Now we can open up aprs-fi in our browser to ensure our position report made it to the aprs-is network. We can see on this screen that my last position report was received 1 second ago, so that's a good sign. We can also see that Golf 3 Papa X-Ray Tango was a station who spotted me. Now let's take a look at the map to ensure our location is accurate. So now we know 2 things. Firstly, our position report made it to aprs-is, and aprs.fi can now display it for anyone who's looking for it. Since version 0.5.2 of FT8Call, this feature has worked extremely well at low power levels. Here we can see all the stations who actually heard my grid command over FT8Call. I think this is a great feature for the field radio operator. Now briefly on that topic, FT8Call is all about supporting the weak signal portable operator in the field. So if you want to support weak signal operators in the field, this is how you can do that in FT8Call. To do that, we're going to open the settings in FT8Call. That's File, Settings, then scroll over to the Reporting tabs and click that. Go ahead and click that box which says Enable Spotting to Reporting Networks, PSK Reporter and aprs-is. If you have a better server for APRS than the one that's there by default, go ahead and enter that and the port as well. Click OK to save your settings, and you're done. Make sure you're subscribed and click that little bell, and stay tuned for more tutorials from the FT8Call volunteer team. Thanks for watching.